Hi YouTube, it's me again, it's Katie Briggs, the Marketing Executive at Integra Financial, and today we're going to be covering what it is that you need to bring to your mortgage appointment. We're going to be covering both what you need to bring to the initial meeting and what you will need to bring for a full application, so stay tuned and feel free to like, comment and subscribe. What is needed for the initial meeting?
So we're going to cover off a list of things with the client, such as their personal details, employment details, credit history, address history, liabilities, any debts the client might have, and also the sort of mortgage requirements and what they're looking to achieve. So we'll cover off a series of sort of soft and hard facts, and then we will request a list of documents as well, which will support those. Now there is a list of documents that we would have perhaps for an initial meeting and for a full application, but to give the viewers at home an idea of the documents for the initial meeting, that's going to come up on the screen now.
What comes after the first meeting?
Okay, so the first meeting very much depends on the client's requirements. For example, whether they're a first-time buyer and just want to know what they can afford and how much it's going to cost, or it could be someone remortgaging, again asking a similar question, in other terms, what's achievable. If the client's in a position that they're ready to proceed, it could be with a purchase or a remortgage of their property, then we will ask for a full documentation list which will support the application before we go on to the next stage of making a recommendation. And the reason we do this is because that's going to give us all the information we need to be absolutely certain we are recommending the best deal for the client, and more importantly that they are eligible for that deal. A list of that is now going to come up on the screen now.
What happens after the client has provided all the documents?
Okay, so we've done the first meeting with the client. We've now got all the information that we need and all the documentation that we need. We're now in a position to make a recommendation to that client, the best mortgage which meets their requirements and their wishes. So we'll present that recommendation to them. We'll give them an illustration which gives them all the facts and figures, and once they confirm that they're happy, we are then ready to proceed with a full application.
What is the most important thing to bring to a mortgage appointment?
Okay, so obviously it is important that we take all the client's details down and have all the documentation. But one thing that's also incredibly important is the client comes to us with trust, an open mind, and are willing to be honest and give us full disclosure of any information. Now, we're in a regulated industry where treating customers fairly is absolutely at the forefront of our minds. So if the client's honest with us and trusts us, that's going to make our initial conversations a lot easier, and also ultimately the whole process.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you got something out of it. If you have any more questions, then please feel free to leave a comment or contact us via our inquiries email, inquiries@integraf.co.uk. If you'd like to give us a call, then you can call us on 0117 251 0083. Please feel free to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on this video to show us your support. It would be greatly appreciated. See you soon!